I know what you're thinking. See, because we're Ember programmers, we don't need that React, we need Slack React. This is what we're practicing. Now see, come on. Pager duty, you get it? All right, so what did we make here? The dating game is the theme song. Okay, so yesterday we were so inspired by the talks that we saw that we decided to go back ill-advisedly after pizza at 9:30 at night and make a React app, an Octane app that taught us to react effectively on Slack in emoji. See, because we're a remote, help us, we're an Ember shop, but knowing how to effectively communicate in Slack via emoji is super helpful. So we made this app. Milland and I are going to compete now to see who can react to 5 words better, and then we'll do a group participation event at the end. Milland, you're up. You're going to need to cheer for the winner at the end. All right, a little obvious. Keep going. Now, Ed's in the room. Here we go. Oh, you better be nice to Ember concurrency. Interesting choice. All right, so how did Milland do? My turn to react with Ember. Here we go. Oh yeah.
This is a common one.
Oh, it makes sense. Here we go. Once and for all. Hooks. Shade. No, it's not one. All right. There we go. There's me. So. The thing is this isn't. As you guys know, open source is not a competition, and so we're sort of defeating the spirit of it. So instead of doing that, we're going to have a last set of reactions that are contributed by the community. All Ember community members are the items. So you yell out if you got a good idea. Yehuda. Cat. There we are. Tom.
Hamster.
Hamster. Okay. Ed. Orange. Okay, this is the way to say I'm barely known on Twitter, and I like basketball, so I'm going to say my own here.
What am I?
What's yours?
Cashews.
Cashews. Is that oh no, painter. Artist. There we go.
Okay.
There we go. One quick little technical point. So, like Miguel's talked so much yesterday, that we actually made this with Orbit and with an offline strategy. So, if I reload the page, it kept it.
About the accessibility, because that didn't happen yesterday, so parts of this
Yeah, we'll make it open source. Don't judge too strongly. All right.